Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Pet Simulator X on Roblox for the PS4 and PS5 versions of the game. So all you have to do is first go to the search bar on the top right. Let's see it over there. Now underneath experiences, type in Pet Simulator X. So I'm going to type in Pet Simulator. There we go, Pet Simulator X, the one with 13,000 people. Go ahead and click X. And once the loading in is complete, should be good to go. Now, in order to pick your pet, you have to press tab on the controller. And go ahead and just, it's for Roblox. Yeah, you just basically have to press tab and then it'll allow you to choose a character. And then, yeah, you should be good to go from there. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.